Have you ever felt watched, even when you were completely alone? You turn your head, there's nothing there, but the feeling lingers. Your heart shifts slightly, your senses sharpen. Here's the interesting part. That reaction isn't random. It's not imagination. It's your brain activating an ancient alert system, a survival mechanism honed over millions of years. This reaction didn't begin in modern life. It's a piece of our ancient past, still very much alive.
That sudden awareness feels small, but your brain treats it seriously. In less than a second, your body shifts into alert mode. Your breathing adjusts, your muscles tighten slightly, your focus becomes sharper. You may not even notice it, because deep inside your brain, a detection system is always active. Its job is simple. Scan the environment, look for potential threats. It doesn't wait for proof. For most of human history, ignoring that signal was not an option.
Deep inside your brain, there is a small structure called the amygdala. It works like an alarm system. It does not think in words. It reacts to signals, a sudden movement, a shadow in the corner, a shift in sound. Before you consciously understand anything, the amygdala has already responded. It sends signals through your body, increase attention, prepare to react. This happens automatically because for early humans, hesitation could mean danger. Understanding your brain's ancient alarm system is the first step to mastering your modern well-being.
Thousands of years ago, human survival depended on quick reactions. If you sensed movement in the bushes, you did not wait for certainty. You reacted. If it was just the wind, you lost nothing. But if it was a predator, hesitation could cost your life. So the brain evolved a simple rule: react first, verify later. This made our ancestors safer, but it also created a system that sometimes overreacts. And that is where false alarms begin. By understanding our instincts, we can train our minds for better focus and precision, turning ancient reactions into modern strengths.
Your brain prefers false alarms. That might sound strange, but it makes perfect sense. From a survival perspective, a false alarm is cheap. You feel alert for a moment. Your heart beats a little faster. Then everything returns to normal. But missing a real threat could be permanent. So your brain is biased toward caution. It would rather react to something harmless than ignore something dangerous. And this bias shapes how you interpret the world around you.
Your eyes do not capture everything. In fact, large parts of your surroundings are only partially seen. Your peripheral vision is blurry. Details are missing. So your brain fills the gaps. It uses patterns, memory, past experiences. If something moves at the edge of your sight, your brain makes a quick guess. It completes the picture before you even realize it. Most of the time, this works perfectly. But sometimes, that quick guess feels like someone watching you. It's just your brain playing its oldest trick.
You're alone in a quiet room. Then a shadow shifts, a small, unexpected sound. Your mind reacts instantly, scanning for danger. But in reality, it was just the house settling or a trick of the light. Or you're walking at night and you swear you see movement out of the corner of your eye. You turn, heart racing, but there's nothing, just your own shadow. So why does your brain treat these harmless moments so seriously? Because it's designed to assume that something might be there. This instinct isn't a flaw, it's your brain's ancient survival system, keeping you sharp and aware. It's a powerful tool for focus and clarity.
We live surrounded by constant input. Notifications, crowded spaces, screens everywhere. Your brain is rarely in true silence. It keeps scanning, processing movement, tracking social cues. Even when you are alone, this constant stimulation can keep your alert system slightly engaged. Not because something is wrong, but because the system never fully powers down. And when you understand that, the feeling starts to make more sense.
Here's where things change. Once you understand this process, the feeling loses its mystery. Instead of reacting with fear, you pause. You recognize the signal. Your brain is scanning. Your alert system is active. That's all. Awareness creates distance between the sensation and your interpretation of it. You stop asking, "Who is watching me?" and start realizing, "My brain is protecting me."
So the next time you feel watched, pause for a moment. Notice what is actually happening. Your heart may shift slightly. Your senses may sharpen. But that reaction is not a warning of something unknown. It is biology at work, an ancient system designed to keep you aware. It does not mean danger is present. It means your brain is doing its job. And when you understand that, the sensation becomes less threatening.
The feeling of being watched is not always about what's outside you. Sometimes it's about what's inside you. A brain that evolved to detect patterns, to anticipate movement, to protect you before you even think. It's not paranoia, it's awareness shaped by survival. And once you understand that, the mystery fades. What once felt unsettling becomes something deeply human. Your mind is simply doing what it was built to do.